Wet filament is sabotaging your prints right now. That stringing, those bubbles, the weak layers, moisture is the culprit, especially with nylon, TPU, and PETG. So what's the verdict on filament dryers in 2026? Active heating units win for actually recovering wet spools. The SUNLU FilaDryer S2 took saturated nylon from disaster to pristine in 6 hours, hitting the moisture levels where prints come out clean. Passive desiccant boxes, they're fine for keeping already dry filament dry, but they can't rescue a soaked spool. Here's what matters. Print while drying features actually help with nylon and TPU on long prints because these materials reabsorb moisture from the air during printing. For PLA and PETG, it's overkill but harmless. Multi-spool dryers sound great until you realize single-spool units dry faster with better air circulation, and most of us aren't drying 4 spools simultaneously anyway. Bottom line, if you print hygroscopic materials, get an active dryer. If you just store PLA, desiccant boxes work fine. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.